Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm not going through any theory. I will just share my this month's investments from my savings. So the first thing I'm doing is putting all of my savings to investment account. So it's $660 for now. I have a list of stocks that I'm planning to buy today, and you can learn more about them in my previous videos where I explain my choices. So first stock that I am buying is Sony. So I place an order for $200 and execute it. As you can see, I still have 3 out of 3 commission-free trades left from my regular account. The next stock I am buying is Raytheon Technologies Corporation. So I am planning to spend $100 on that one. And it's my second commission-free trade. Goes here. My third option and third stock for this month was Pluralsight. I wanted to buy it at around $60, but for now it costs $16.91, but this still suits my needs. So I used my last commission-free trade on this one. I'm also planning to buy some Wingstop, so I'm planning to use $100 for that as well. And this one will cost me €1, which is $1.17 to execute this trade, because I used my balance of 3 free trades. And the last stock I am buying this month is Mastercard, and my idea was to use all what is left from the first 4 stocks, and it is around €160. As you can see, I need to keep a few dollars in my account just in order to cover the fees for the transaction, as I used my 3 commission-free trades. So in this case I executed only for $160. Good, so now let's check my investment account. As you can see, all 5 stock picks have landed in my portfolio. So it's updated almost real time, and you can see it straight away in your balance sheet. That's it for today, and thank you for watching.